Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Cozion digital photo frame. It's a smart Wi-Fi photo frame here and it looks really cool to make a nice atmosphere at home. 10 or in the shop for 10.1 inches Cozion electronic photo frame with 16 gigabyte memory, WLAN, Wi-Fi, electronic photo frame, photo, music, video, calendar, automatic photo rotations. It supports USB and USB-C and SD cards, and it's really easy to set up and use. The user-friendly interface design makes it easy to use for all ages, especially for the elder ones who are not tech-savvy. The intuitive touchscreen makes operation easier than ever. The IPS HD Touch Screen comes with a 10.1 inches digital photo frame. It is equipped with 1280 to 800 resolution IPS touchscreen, which allows us to get a beautiful picture from any angle. Also, at a glance, we can see the picture clearly. The photo frame supports picture format by jpeg, jpeg, helc, PNG, and video format. There is no better way than to share special photos to save memories and our loved one and capture every moment of life's beauty and growth. And we have impressive features. The Cozion Wi-Fi digital photo frame can auto-rotate photos to adjust the direction. It comes with a detachable holder as a frame stand, so we can display the photos in either portrait or landscape orientation. Its multifunctional custom settings such as play, order pictures, zoom, hide, publish pictures, display caption, adjustable brightness, sleep mode, etc. And we can share photos and videos privately and safely. We send photos or small videos, maximum 15 seconds, directly to the Fremeo app from anywhere in the world. That means you are in far away from home, but you have internet access. Then you can make a picture, make a video, and send this directly to the smart Wi-Fi photo frame via the internet. That's really cool, I think. Wow. So friends and our family can enjoy their wonderful moments on the Cozion Wi-Fi frame within seconds. The Frameo FRAMEO app for iOS and Android gives us full control over our frame. Unlimited free cloud storage and built-in 16 gigabyte storage supported, and there comes it with a optional SD card, a micro SD card, maximum capacity of 32 gigabyte. This expands our storage and also can import and export pictures or videos. It's a really nice gift to loved one. This smart Wi-Fi photo frame here is a great gift for new parents, grandparents, newlyweds, college kids, or families separated by distance on various holidays such as birthday, anniversary, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas. What a great way to have our loved one with us all the time. Meanwhile, it is a good decoration in our bedroom or living room. Even in the office, it's also as a perfect tool to advertise products in a bar or a shop. The size is 10.1 inches. The material is ABS. The screen is a touchscreen IPS. The resolution is 1280 pixel to 800. The charging mode is an AC-DC adapter or the Type-C cable, as you like. The input is 100 up to 240 volt, so it's an international possibility to use that. 50-60 Hz, 0.6 ampere. An output comes 5 volt, 2 ampere, 10 watt. The connection mode is Wi-Fi. The send mode is the Frame app from Frameo, FRAMEO app, iOS or Android. And internal memory card is 16 gigabyte. The external memory card sold separately, 32 gigabyte micro SD card. It's a TF card. The image format jpeg, PNG, healthy, and the video requires 15-second short videos. We have this smart Wi-Fi photo frame, a power cord, a screw in the stand, and we start with the power supply. The Cozion smart Wi-Fi photo frame has 2 charging modes, and never disconnect the power when the smart Wi-Fi photo frame is running, of course. Possibility 1 is a plug. Possibility number 2 is, for example, a power bank plus a USB-C cable. That's possible for making it mobile. Then we can insert and remove an SD card, a micro SD card. We insert a micro SD card into the micro SD card port and push it until it locks in place. To remove the installed micro SD card, we should push the card inward a little bit and it will come up. It is recommended to use a TF card, maximum supported 32 gigabyte. Okay, that's a fact of it. Then we have adjustable stands, and we can choose 3 options. So we can attach it where we like, and then we can start it with it and go to the Frame.io app. Of course, when starting our frame for the first time, we will need to make a setup. We select the language. This will be the language used on the frame. We connect it to our Wi-Fi network. We vary it. For this, we will need the Wi-Fi password, of course. So you can find this from your admin, or you can find this most of the time under the router. The frame may ask us to update to the latest version. If it is an internet connection, then we should recommend it to update our frame before continuing working with it. We enter our name and the location where we have to place our frame, and then we connect a friend. We make sure that one friend has downloaded and installed the Frame.io app. Then we click and add the friend icon on our frame. Then a dialog will appear showing a connection code, which is available for 12 hours. Now we share this code in whatever fashion we prefer: SMS, email, IM, phone call to our friends. Once our friends have added the code into the Frame.io app, they will automatically appear on our frame and be able to send us photos onto the frame. That's really cool, I think. We can go to a function menu in the frame itself. We swipe left or right to go through the photos. To access the menu, we simply tap once on the screen. In the menu, we will find the most used feature. We can make add friends, we go to settings, we can make a power menu, or we can react on our photos and videos. That's really cool. We can choose hidden photos, we can go to the gallery, we can go to a fit to the frame, we can adjust the photos as we like, we can make it interacting with the videos, we can make an external storage menu to format, to make a backup of this frame and so on. We can go to settings. It's possible to give a frame name, a frame location, a language, a date, a time zone, 24 hours format. We can manage photos, show and hide photos, delete photos, or import photos as we like. You can see a lot of possibility is to make here. We can adjust the brightness level, a slideshow, timer, show captions. We can fill up the frame background we can choose from. We can change option for a friend. We can export photos. We can play from the external photos. Automatic play, video playback, automatic mute, because it's a built-in speaker on the back side of this is possible to give us sound. We can switch the notifications, we can make Wi-Fi details, we can reset it, we can backup and restore the device. You can see so much things you can do with the Cozion Smart Wi-Fi photo frame here. And it's easy and good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on the channel. Sun.